Get ready for a super cool night sky event. On September 18th, 2024, the moon will be playing a cosmic game of hide and seek. Instead of hiding behind a tree or a couch, it will be hiding partly in Earth's shadow. We refer to this as a partial lunar eclipse. What's a lunar eclipse? Anyway, imagine you, the Earth, and the moon are lined up in a row with Earth in the middle. When this happens, the Earth blocks the sunlight from reaching the moon. That's an eclipse. There are different types of lunar eclipses, but this time it's a partial one, meaning only a part of the moon will hide in Earth's shadow. Why does the moon change color? Even though the Earth is blocking some of the sunlight, some rays still sneak around the edges of our planet. But these sneaky rays have to travel through Earth's atmosphere, which acts like a filter. It scatters away the blue light, leaving the red light to reach the moon. So instead of a dark moon, we might see a reddish or copper-colored moon during the eclipse. Pretty cool, right? How does a partial lunar eclipse happen? Think of it like this. The moon is on one side of Earth, and the sun is on the other side. As the moon orbits around Earth, it starts to enter Earth's shadow. But the moon isn't completely covered, only part of it gets a shadow makeover. The shadow part of the moon might look a bit darker or reddish. As the moon keeps moving, it comes out of the shadow, and we see it in full again. When can we see it? This lunar eclipse will happen on September 18th, 2024. The exact time you'll see it depends on where you live. People in North and South America, Europe, Africa, and parts of Asia will get the best view. The eclipse will start in the evening and last for a few hours. How can we watch it? The awesome thing about lunar eclipses is that you don't need any special equipment to see them. You can just go outside and look up. But if you have binoculars or a telescope, they'll help you see more details. If you have a grown-up who knows about astronomy, ask them to help you find the moon and understand what's happening. Safety first. Remember, you should never look directly at the sun. It's too bright and can hurt your eyes, but it's perfectly safe to look at the moon during a lunar eclipse. Why is it important? Lunar eclipses are amazing events that help us learn more about the moon and how it moves. They also show us how Earth and the sun interact in our solar system. Plus, they're just really fun to watch. Fun facts about the moon. The moon is Earth's only natural satellite, meaning it's a big space rock that orbits our planet. It takes about 27 days for the moon to complete one orbit around Earth. The moon doesn't make its own light. We see it because it reflects sunlight. The moon has lots of craters from asteroids and other space rocks crashing into it. The moon's gravity affects the tides on Earth, making the oceans rise and fall. What else happens during a lunar eclipse? During a lunar eclipse, the temperature on the moon can change dramatically. It can drop hundreds of degrees in a short amount of time. This is because the moon doesn't have an atmosphere to trap heat like Earth does. Also, animals that rely on moonlight for navigation or hunting can get confused during a lunar eclipse. They might act strangely or change their behavior until the moon is back to normal. Get ready for the show. If you can see the partial lunar eclipse, make sure to mark your calendar and set a reminder. Gather your family and friends, find a good spot outside, and enjoy this amazing celestial show. It's a great way to learn about space and have some fun together. If you like the video, then please press like button and comment and share the video. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.